Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Ore-Ida potatoes O'Brien. These delicious potatoes are a versatile side dish, perfect for any meal. We will cover both skillet and oven methods, ensuring you get perfectly crispy results every time. First, gather your ingredients and equipment, including a large skillet and your frozen potatoes. Make sure your skillet is preheated to a medium-high temperature before you begin. For the skillet method, begin by adding about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil to the hot pan. Carefully spread the frozen potatoes O'Brien in a single layer across the bottom of the skillet. Cook them for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Continue cooking for a total of 10 to 15 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispy texture. If you prefer the oven method, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the frozen potatoes O'Brien evenly in a single layer on a baking sheet. This ensures they cook thoroughly and crisp up nicely. Bake them for 20 to 25 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through the cooking time. They are ready when they are golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Once your potatoes O'Brien are cooked to perfection, it's time to season them. Add salt, black pepper, and any other herbs you enjoy to taste. Serve them immediately as a fantastic side dish for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. For an extra twist, consider adding some cooked onions, bell peppers, or even a sprinkle of cheese. Enjoy your perfectly prepared Ore-Ida potatoes O'Brien.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.